Hi, this is Habib from Preston Audi, and this is the approved used Audi A1 Sportback Sport. This model has a 30 TFSI engine and slick 6-speed manual gearbox, while is finished in the stunning metallic Python yellow paintwork. Under the bonnet, you'll find the turbocharged 1-litre petrol engine, producing 116 PS and delivering 0 to 60 in just 9.7 seconds, while also delivering an impressive combined 50.4 miles per gallon. Starting at the front of the car, we have the striking LED headlights, providing high quality illumination. Around the side we have the 16-inch, 10-spoke turbine design alloy wheels, while there's body coloured door mirrors, black window trims, and optional Mythos black contrasting roof for a sleek yet stylish look. This model boasts a spacious 335-litre boot space, which can be extended by folding the rear seats down to 1090 litres, so you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flat pack furniture. Moving inside, you'll find Novum cloth upholstered rear seats with the integrated ISOFIX child seat mounting points. In the front, you'll find a 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel and polygon structure inlays, while there's Novum cloth upholstered front sport seats, which are really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while they're manually adjustable. Ahead of you, you'll find the 10.25-inch virtual cockpit with various display options, including DAB digital radio and telephone equipment for your connected device, while a flick view can activate the reduced display. As standard, we have the 8.8-inch MMI Radio Plus display screen, with functionalities including DAB digital radio, media controls for your connected device, telephone equipment for your connected device, as well as general car settings. There's Audi's smartphone interface, allowing you to connect your device media via Apple Carplay or Android Auto. There's Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the predefined modes, with our personal favourite being dynamic as it's most driver focused. While there's also rear parking sensors for reassurance when parking or navigating through tight spaces. Lower down you'll find the controls for the manual air conditioning. You can easily change the temperature, speed and direction on the move without taking our eyes off the road. This was a walk around of the approved used Audi A1 Sportback Sport. For more information or to arrange a viewing or test drive, please contact us, visit our showroom or visit our website at swanswaygarages.com. Thank you for watching.